The last time we created an all-time high on gold was on the 16th of October. And then for the second time, price tested that particular level on the 20th of October. Today, waking up on the 22nd of December, we saw how price strongly broke against that particular resistance, creating a new all-time high of, I don't even know what it is, 4,400 and something. But where exactly is gold heading and why is this even happening? I personally believe that gold is going to hit 5,000 in the first quarter of next year, which is 2026. But let's delve down into the chart and look at some things that usually happen when gold finally creates an all-time high. So, very interestingly, you would realize that on the 16th of October, when price created an all-time high, we saw a rapid drop of about, let's see, about almost 2,000 pips to the downside. Then we saw again, price came to test that particular level, and then we saw a dip of about 4,800 pips all the way to the downside. Now, if we have to create that particular resistance that price created, let me just come using the weekly time frame so that it looks a bit clearer for us. You can tell from this area that price strongly broke that particular resistance with a very strong bullish indication. And in the next 4 days, the weekly candle is going to close, and that is going to make us aware if this particular resistance is either going to hold or not. Now, also, this is for us to know that this was the lowest point to which gold came after creating what these all-time highs. And it's quite interesting for me because there are a few things that we need to note. On the daily time frame, this is for us to know that there could be a possibility of price eventually coming to what 5,000. Now I'm going to be marking out this area with 5,000. Okay. So meaning that this is the projection to which I am looking out for. That definitely price is going to be hitting what 5,000 per ounce. Now I'm going to have like a small trend line tool which is going to cut across even until this particular area. So what I'm expecting is I'm going to be expecting, retracements and impulsive moves all the way to the upside and to the downside. I'm going to be expecting moves like this. I'm going to be expecting move like this. And then until we see price hitting 5,000. So definitely we're not just going to have like a very strong rallying up to the upside just like that. There's definitely going to be some strong retracements on gold, but I strongly believe that these retracements are not going to go past the region of let me say 4,380. So I'm going to be definitely always strong and bullish on gold, but until then, if price doesn't come into these areas, I'm not going to be so much interested in trading gold in this festive season. December has been a headache, but my community and I, we've been able to pull it extremely well in this season. And just like some other people are failing, finding it difficult to catch out the best of moves, and then the market is just finally getting really difficult. I mean, when you take a trade, you can testify that if you have a stop loss about 30, 40 pips, it's definitely going to take you out. But we're still pulling it out. Last week we did amazing in the VIP group. We called out some free trades as well. So if you're not part of the community, I just want to tell you that click that link in the description to join my community. Now, I've noticed that a lot of scammers are impersonating me, and they have a channel on Telegram called Aramdala. Listen, guys, I do not have a channel on Telegram called Aramdala. My channel name on Telegram is MarketGod Community. You need to search that in the button altogether and join the community. So if you don't find MarketGod Community, if you search for Aramdala, you're gonna get scammed, right? Someone got scammed today, and it wasn't a very good and pleasant thing to do. So make sure to do your checks. Make sure to check the links in my social media handles like Instagram, TikTok, and follow the right channel so that you can make the most out of your wins. So today is another week, which is the Monday. And what exactly am I going to be looking out for? I'm going to be looking out for some retracements on gold. And when I spot those retracements, I should be looking out for very good buying opportunities. So personally, for me, um, I'm going to be looking out for some retracements, at least in and around this area, for some possible buy moves on gold again. Until then, it's going to be really scary for you to just say you want to jump in for sales on gold. Unless, of course, we want to be looking at a smaller picture when it comes to scalping these setups. So again, let's see if we want to catch on short on gold. How are we going to do it? That's very simple. We want to follow the structure of the market. So yes, we can see that price has been in a very strong uptrend, showing us series of what higher highs, right? Higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Then price failed to create a high. Then what did we see? You saw price breaking below this structure, price coming back into this area. Now, this was for us to know that if we wanted to jump in for a very beautiful sell setup, the sell setup would have formed somewhere around here for us. Why? Because we saw how price came into this zone, right? After price came into the zone, so let me just have it clearly well for you. We saw how price came into this zone, created a high, then price came here, then created what equal highs, give us a strong rejection, and then price is currently here as we speak. So our perfect setup would have played out somewhere around here after this strong candle confirmation, having our stop loss just right above these candle confirmations, and then taking our significant take profit exactly what at the lows of this particular pattern right over here. So now what exactly am I going to be looking out for? If I want to keep catching more sales, it's going to be really simple. What I need to do is I need to mark out the lows of this particular area, and I'm going to be very patient to wait to see if price is going to do what break, come back into these areas, and then we're going to spot more positions to the downside. And then I'm going to be patiently waiting for price to come into this area, and I'm going to be like waiting to see if we could snipe out some positions. So a more better setup would be catching a very significant 240 pip move on gold and then patiently waiting for a setup like this. If this does not happen and price meets this strong support, then we're going to keep buying to the upside. So everything depends on the candle confirmations. We are going to be possibly buying all the way to the upside all over again. And so until then, we just have to be patient. The secret to success in the market lies in the potency of your setup. Not just in the potency of your setup, but the ability to wait for the right opportunity for you to take such a trade. I want to admonish and tell most of you guys that the reason why you are failing is because, first off, you even lack the knowledge. And let's say you even have the right knowledge, you don't even wait for the market to play out before you take your setups. Make this a priority in 2026, and you're going to see a big difference in your trading journey. So this is my small analysis for the week. And if you are able to bank it on gold with these particular sectors, make sure to come back to this video and do the honors. Make a comment in the comment section and tell us how it did well. Some people said the analysis I made in my previous video on USD played out amazingly right. And I'm grateful that indeed we have the skill to be able to show you guys this particular setup. And also in the year 2026, in this coming year 2026, if you're looking for a mentor that can take your trading journey to the next level to make you a full-time trader in 6 months, I want to tell you to come join the MarketGod community. If you want to be the best at trading gold, if you want to be the best at trading any currency pair, you are in the right place. Make sure to send me a personal message at Della Trades, right? Please don't forget, make everything Della Trades. Don't, it's not spaced together. There are a lot of scammers out there on Telegram, so you want to be careful. Or to keep yourself safe, just come to MarketGod community and make sure to check the description in the community channel. You're going to find links to personally send me a message, and then we can communicate. Or you can send me a message on Instagram at Aramdella. I'll leave the socials right over here so that you can send me a personal message and let's talk. The cost for mentorship is $547 for the whole year. It's currently on a discount and they are limited slots. So if you want to jump in, make sure you do before it is too late. I know you're going to waste that $547 on a program that you are not even going to pass. So I want you to take that step of faith, get the right education, and let's do something different. I always tell people that insanity is doing the same thing over and over again and expecting different results. Last year, you did not get education, but you are going to do the same thing and you think that your trading journey is going to change. I'm sorry to tell you, it is not going to change. Make that decision today, get the right education, and let's get yourself to the next level. My name is Aramdella. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace out.